Hello, I'm Darren from Chatham and I thought I'd take some time to tell you how simple it was to get my boiler installed by Heatable. Now, I went online, answered the simple questions and then was offered a selection of boilers from all kinds of different price ranges. I selected the one that I wanted, filled in the details of the type of property I live in and a couple of little technical questions which were all yes or no questions, so no extensive knowledge needed at all. And then I was asked to book an appointment date. I booked the date and it was only 3 days later. How good was that? So no time to wait with my old rusty leaky boiler. I had from start to finish within 3 days of making the inquiry, a brand new boiler installed and at a good single, no hassle price as well. Thanks Heatable, did a really good job.